So hi, hello everyone. I hope you all are good. And every time we coming back with again different haircuts. The haircuts was pretty simple things we used to do, and also the learning it will be most important for everyone for it. So this haircut something a little bit of advanced and creative haircuts. So the top crown like horseshoe section just fringes we just took separated, and the side by section we can just checking with a like occipital bone or horseshoe section, and just two sections we just dividing it. And this is it will be going to be something, it will be concave layer concept which is can completely elevating with a complete over direction of layers. And you by the difference you can just see in these haircuts, but I'm sure this is one of the ultimate haircuts. You can just save the length, you can just add front back multiple layers, and the haircut looks awesome and massive look. And this last video itself I told you that in this video something bit just two steps are got missed, but yes, you'll be understand complete to the haircut video, I'm sure for that cases. So it's completely we check to the something like two more sections to the subsections overall. One side we just took and another side we just clipping back completely. So hope so the previous videos are liked very much, and also please do share with your friends, and just if you like the video please don't forget to hit the subscribe buttons, because I'm just bringing back with a new knowledge up to the haircut videos. I'm just sharing with you my good effort up to the knowledge with you guys. So the almost topmost sections is sided done, and the side bases section just we separating it, just side clipping. And before after that we just go back to with the back portions to be start with one length basic. So whenever you do the basic one length basic haircuts, the head should be a tilt. Then you can just take with a small section of center profile with a half an inch with a bottom guideline, just one length. After you taking this, top of that we have to create the layers. One length is a very significant to be carry forward with any of layer haircut, which is performance purpose. It will be major roles to be given to the guideline carry forward. What is the point of to be cutting to the one length? One length is always giving to the guideline to be a hairline, cutting to the layers. So we just taking to the pivoting sections, and just first center profile section we just took and just lifting up them, just elevating a little bit up to the minimum to the 220 and degree on it. Rest of the hair we can just cutting it. It's completely elevation basis. Our intention is completely save to the length, not to be reduce the length. The same technique we can just vertical section we just taking section by section, small section, just we cutting it back. You may can see in complete thin section, small section is going to be cut on it. Hope so the previous videos are made something else different, and we just focusing with every single day with a bring back in front of your new videos, guys. And this will be going to be a best platform for a tutorial base with a learning purpose, and it's most probably it will be good for new beginners for the hairdresser as. So almost this another side section also is going to be finished. So side also have to be take with a one length basic haircuts. Just trim it on. Same elevating with the same technique of the previous guidelines and lifting up them, and rest of the part we just eliminate out. The same section with another side, we're just elevating with the lifting up the layers and cutting up to that towards 220 over direction bit. The 360 is completely has to be over direction, which has to be bended down the hair, then only it will be, can just see the 360 angle. But 220 is really enough to create more layers. Operating with a center profile sections, and just side sections we just clipped it, which is separated because after the should not disturbance for top portions. You can just see the small guideline we just take when just travel towards to the front forward. A bit up to the same technique, we can just taking back and just aside with standing and lifting up to the same 220 90 to 220. So you can lot more layers you can see in that haircuts, and when will we drop it down, you can just see multiple layers on it. And now we come to that like fringes, like just triangle shape, we just separated it in these sections, and this also it will be carry forward with the same technique what we done the previous. Just taking to that previous stationary guideline and just traveling towards to the forward, but little bit of over direction will be there for it. So rest of the hair, cut it off. Ultimately it will be give good results on the haircuts. So my intention is completely my personal intention is first lift them to proper elevation up to the guidelines, degrees and all. I'm just most of the times I'll follow up. So my cut is completely finished. You can just see the messy layers and completely you can just shaking up to, you can just see in the front part it will be shortened and the bottom is lengthy, looking like feather kind up to the haircuts and looking amazing on it. The previous videos also I told you, and also this video I'm just same thing, I'm following it up and just shaking up to the overall the layers. You can see complete up to the layers on it. See the tail when you hold, it will be completely visible, very good. I hope so you like this video. Please hit the like button and do share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Now we came back to with a root shoot boost blow dry, completely with just blasting with completely blast blow dry for making to the layers out, flipping out in this case. So overall it will be going to be finish it off. The elevations and angling and degrees and each and every steps we followed properly in these haircuts. If you have any other questions or doubts, please let me know comments below. I'll definitely update for you. The rest of the things it will mention in the description below. Please go there and just check it out. And this haircut it will be going to be finished. We'll meet up to the next video. Till then, be safe, take care.